Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to refund your games on Epic Games. So first log into epicgames.com, and then after logging in, click the profile name that you can see in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking this, click the account tab. When you are already inside the account tab, select the transactions tab, and then it will open the screen where it will show you all the transactions you have made in your Epic Games account. This includes the games that you purchase. Now select the game that you purchase and you want to request a refund by clicking the arrow down icon on the right side of this game. After clicking this, it will open the details or information about the transaction. Then you just need to click the check box here and then click the request refund. After doing this, it will open this pop-up window where you have to input the reason for refund and then click the confirm button or the confirm refund. Once done, that's it. That's how to refund your games in your Epic Games. And thank you for listening.